Get on your fucking legs!
Everyone attack village, yeah? All going village.
All going village.
I'm going for the better.
Mine's,
I know it doesn't kill anyone with shits and giggles.
It does.
I've got exactly the same thing. You short stroke? Yeah.
1 minute, mate.
Just get ready.
2, 3, 2, 3, 2. Jules.
I've got my hand in
I've done exactly what you said.
Yellow, you're allowed to go out and start occupying your territory. Off you go. You are game on.
Oh.
Don't do that yet. Come on, just give it. James, you're gonna have to do it.
We're making a beeline to the village, aren't we?
Yeah, I think some of them are taking the 50 caliber.
Oh yeah. James. Dead straight. Where am I located? Come right here, come right here. There's two. There's literally multiple of them.
Yeah, that's our friend.
Yeah, you got them. Nice shooting, nice shooting. There's more around that, John.
Is there?
Yeah. So, where that white tape is, look left.
Oh, I just see a head. Yeah.
Oh, fucking you're not John, sorry. I'll avoid.
I'm over up in
Oh,
oh, he just failed.
made him shit himself. Yo! Yeah. Well, we're going, we're here. Fuck, where did our teammate go? Yeah. Then we're going out. Then
Okay. Stop! Take your hands out your pockets. Turn around. Turn around. Over me.
Get on your fucking legs!
That's how you should fucking do it. Right,
the support vehicle, not the...
Follow me. Follow me. Vehicle.
I think that's the support vehicle, not the...
No.
Not the technical.
Them ones that squirted out, should we fucking chase them down? Because they're technically from another territory. Yeah.
Well, so we got a contact that way. 11 o'clock-ish.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, let's go. Let's fuck him up. Nah, we don't want him in there.
12
12 o'clock, guys! 12 o'clock! Let's fuck him up.
How many contacts is that? 5.
But, oh, no, we got 6 over there. We got 6 over there.
Side, watch out.
We got 1 over there. We got 1 to the left. Just dropping down a lot. Well, fuck. Bev? Yeah.
Oh yeah, these ones are, aren't they? Watch the back there.
Yep.
Sorry, mate, I can't see your hand. There's a tree. Oh, Scott.
So you ain't took that very well.
No, I fucking ain't. I'll tell you what, I wish you hadn't told me.
Why?
Spoilt my fucking day, fuck ya.
How is that alright? Yeah, I know. The angle he's got, I will. You can't. Oh no, I've got you right. Then one there. Yeah. This. Right.
Right, our guy's about to get respawned, one that you just shot.
Alright, push up. Hold up.
Because there's people with hands up and apparently...
Straight to our 12.
No, that guy literally just got respawned and he pointed the gun at me, so...
We've literally just shot rounds in, so we just returned.
Push him, bro.
Oh yeah, it's Gilly straight that way.
That's Nick. Is it?
Yeah, Nick's not on our team.
Oh, yep.
He's a pussy.
Yep. Hello. Oh, I've just got hit, so... Can you rip it off and just...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's as long as it would take anyway.
Yep.
No, I'm not quite getting him.
No, I'm not either. What?
We want to make a move to the other side of this berm. Yeah,
Right.
in front of that.
Straight in front of you, there's Gilly on the left-hand side of the cutaway. There's somewhere in the middle there.
Help.
Might be him. You want to quickly respawn him?
Yeah.
Had it. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You can, but it'll be a bit risky. I've got movement far
I
range.
just walked back. He hit me several times again. I can fucking see them next time. I'll be back.
Bastard. Fuck, really spitty. Yep.
We've gone out. Oh, there's a big group of them coming. I'm going to try to save the Gilly if I can.
Right, there's one guy behind the bush. Left hand side. How the where?
It's a bit crazy. I said we need all the snipes we can get.
Yeah, you can grab them, man.
Can you?
Don't know.
You caught the two, didn't you?
Oh,
Vehicle,
mate, you're a shit
vehicle
shot,
coming in.
yeah.
Should we quickly bum rush them?
Is that red or blue?
Doesn't matter. Blue.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa!
Whoa, that was close, John.
Wow. I mean, that was close.
Naughty! Oh, why did you have to go down now? Yep.
If anyone from Bob has got any sense, they'll come out and reinforce the butt.
No, I think they're just chilling. Oh, dear.
Pull out a bit, bud. Bud, I'll let you pull out. Jordan, I'll let you pull out, bud. Pull out a bit. I'll let you pull out till you're on track, just
Ah, you fucker.
Are you out of play, Pete? Yeah. He's out of play, bub.
There's about 30, 40 people off our launch.
Really?
Yeah, we looked to sign out and there's more people signed out than just signed in.
Oh. No, let's just fucking walk around. I was like, where the fuck is everyone?
And me and John done like we like spawned in just down there somewhere.
Yeah.
Then we done like a quick walk round, taking a few people out to try and find you.
Oh, I think I was walking back. Did you get them two girls that are standing near fuel dump? Near fuel dump.
Yeah, we were at fuel dump looking over.
Ah, I
So me
literally
and John
just
done
walked
like a
past.
big loop, and we must have followed you,
Yeah.
or you followed us. So that's why we never found you, and then went to lunch.
Yeah, no, literally, as you were shooting them two girls, I literally just walked past.
Oh.
I was like, I thought I saw John.
It can't be that hard to find. He's got a flag sticking out his bag.
Oh, apparently it is.
Once we help you secure it, that's our contract done. Truce then acts for about 30 minutes. Unless one of my guys goes like that and shoots you. At that point, I take the prison time as I'm going to start the contract. Which I thought was a fair deal, given I was the guy who organised the deal. So. Which is kind of why I've not left, so that way if one of them does fuck up.
Oh, at least it's on you.
Yeah, I mean, I'm honouring my part of the deal.
Oh, come on. Where the fuck is half the roads? Probably gone
Push
now.
out, they're all over there if you want to fight them.
What?
I think the HQ is being pushed.
Who's?
Your HQ.
They'd be dumb to do it.
I'm pretty sure they are actually going.
Wait, what? No.
That's over. You do. Fair play. No, fair play.
Go on.
I'll grab the gun.
Yep, no worries.
No, that is fair play.
Max! Where have we got Max?
prison.
We got a hostage. Have we already got a hostage?
We got shot.
I was
Yep.
I offered
Yep.
it, so. Yep, what's that? That is fair. No, that is fair.
What's happening?
Truce is over.
Basically a blue shot a yellow. Oh, so yeah, I did try and say it. Yeah.
Right, are you going to go in a prison cell with? I don't know if you...
I know I'm the only guy at least,
Oh, okay.
so I've offered myself for it. So yeah, a blue shot a yellow, and as soon as that happened, the truce was immediately over. So someone betrayed the yellows. I don't know who it was. And I obviously offered myself up in case it happens to go to prison. So it's like that.
Wait, where are you going? Prison's that way.
Prison's there.
Where? Yeah.
I don't fucking know. It's something I thought was over there. I mean, obviously, if it was accidental, a bit, maybe it's a bit, but like, yeah, it's what it is, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, you do have a friend.
Yeah. Oh, hello.
You got a pimp daddy in there.
Welcome. Welcome to the shag pad. Yours is bigger than mine. Yours is also bigger than mine.
And more ammo.
Right, guys, come on.
Another one.
Second one, let's go. Thank you.
Welcome.
And into the collection.
Yeah, well, we made a deal. So